Maintaining optimal operational efficiency is key to gaining a competitive edge in the UK fast food franchise market. Brands like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, and Subway must ensure every aspect of their operation aligns with their corporate goals. A crucial factor that impacts both customer experience and operational effectiveness is the indoor climate of your establishment. Installing professional air conditioning systems from Mitsubishi, Daikin, Fujitsu, and Samsung can be a game-changer for fast food franchises. These systems ensure customer comfort, preserve food quality in prep areas, and enhance overall business performance. With tailored solutions designed to meet the unique requirements of your franchise, investing in professional air conditioning promises substantial returns, solidifying your business's position in a competitive market. Upgrade your facilities and ensure your franchise thrives, regardless of external temperatures. Contact Orion Air Conditioning and Refrigeration today for a quotation.